welcome back to Pack Daddies. I'm going to do an opening today of Donruss Baseball 2021. Got a mega box here, 14 packs, 8 cards per pack. I'm looking for the Holo pinks and the 14 pink firework parallels. Looking for some autos and anything else that comes our way. So let's crack it open and we'll take a look. This is what it says on the back of the box. You want to take a second to look at that? There you go. All right. And that's an empty box. All right, so let's get these set up here and start cracking them open. It's been a minute since we've done any kind of baseball or anything, so I figured we'd give it another go. This is opening beautifully. All right, there we go. All right, Zach Gallen, Roger, Johnny Cueto. Oh, look at that. Wiki Betts live out of $9.99, 414. There's a pink holo. Wade Boggs. Another one, Unleashed, Mark McGuire. La Pantera. And Diamond Kings Mike Trout. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one here. Nice little hit. Next one, here we go. Giolito. Get these combined here. Okay, here we go. Marco. Mariano. Will Myers. There we go. Pink holo Jake Cronenworth. Nice. Ooh. Gavin Lux. Fireworks holo. Braylon. Shane Bieber. Nolan Arenado, David Ortiz, Miguel Rojas, Sterling Marte, Bo Bichette. Here we go, look at that. Lucas Giolito, highlights. Christian Yelich. Yeah, Ryan Mountcastle, rated rookie. Doing pretty well so far. George Springer. Nick Ahmed. Good old Ken Griffey Jr. Matt Chapman. Mike Piazza. A-Rod Unleashed. David Peterson. Francisco Lindor. Brian Reynolds. Jose Canseco. Poor kid got injured this year. Oh, Acuna. Oh, very nice. Numbered Jazz Chisholm out of 2021. Oh, with a nice Mike Trout. And an Elite Series Babe Ruth. Got Kyle Lewis, Diamond Kings. Christian Pash. Let's go ahead and sleeve up that. The guy in the box, Clayton Kershaw. Rafael Palmeiro. Yadier. Brandon Woodruff. Stars and Stripes. Josh Hader, pink. Jose Abreu, Unleashed. Hey. Yaz. Ian Anderson. So far, pretty good pulls out of this. It's a mega box. Says there is one auto per box on average, so I mean we'll see what happens. See if we get anything good. Josh Bell, Kevin Gausman. Look at that. Bo Jackson. Renato Nunez. Eloy Jimenez. Juan Soto Unleashed. Brian Hayes. And the big Puma, Lance Berkman. Corey Kluber. Another Wade. Nicholas Castellanos. Another Stripes. Numbered. Giancarlo, look at that. I think we'll get that sleeved up as well. Nice. What do we got here? Oh, Castellanos again. This time pink. Oh yeah, look at that. Wander Franco. Rated prospect. Get that sleeved up too. Javi Baez. And Big Sexy. Bartolo Colon. It's going pretty well. Now, if you guys like what you see, want to see us to open some more boxes, we can go ahead and do that. We'll be doing it just because we enjoy it, Not looking for anything particular, just having a good time cracking packs and opening other things up. You guys have any comments or anything, let us know what you'd like to see. If we can get a hold of it, we will definitely try to get it and crack it open. The rookies, Nate Pearson. Cos Correa. Dalton Varsho. If you like what you see, subscribe. We're just starting out here, doing the best that we can, and hopefully you find what you see nice and entertaining. Joey Gallo. Dwight Gooden. Oh, Jacob deGrom, Dominators. Look at that. He's having a heck of a season if he could just stay healthy. Cody Bellinger. Overall, it's been a pretty good box. Still got a couple more packs to go. Ola, Snell, Ozzy, Jose Barrios. Braylon Marquez, rated pink. Xander Bogaerts, Dominators. Tony Two Bags. And Diamond Kings Matt Chapman. The recently traded Nelson Cruz. Dale Murphy. That's another numbered car. 336 out of 2021. Brian Reynolds. Let's get that sleeve here. Very nice. Well, that's some nice things here. Jose Bray. Trending. Luis Roberts. Beautiful. Luis Garcia. Rated rookie. And Bryce Harper. Get down here to the end. So like I said before, if you like what you see, you're enjoying what we do, we're just going to crack open baseball, basketball, football, and any kind of suggestions you guys have, we'll crack that open too. We can do magic or any of that. Just let us know in the comments, and we'll be happy to do that. This is winding down here. Got another pack left, plus this one, and like, subscribe. Cow. Oh, what are we got here? Spencer Howard. Oh, there it is. That's an auto. Spencer Howard. Keith Hernandez. Oh, look at that. Elite Series. Yadier Molina. Josh Bell. Evan White. Yeah, last pack. See if we can go out with some last pack mojo. Not that it hasn't been a great box already. Carlos Correa. Paul Molitor. Adalberto Mondesi. Oh. A to 50. It's Altuve. Gigante. 5 out of 50. Very nice. Trevor Story. 5 hits in the postseason game. Will Smith, highlights. Hey, Fernando Tatis, Diamond Kings. And a rated rookie, Drake Cronenworth. Alright, guys, that's about it. Let's take a look at some of the highlights we got here. Show a few of them. Nice little Jazz. Out of 2021. Giancarlo, out of 2021. Brian Reynolds, same, 2021. Have that nice little auto. Spencer Howard. Wander, beautiful. And then Altuve, out of 50. And then ended on some Mookie Betts at a $9.99. All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you the next time we crack something open. Have a good one.